Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. So we're back here at City Walk, but today we're going to Universal Studios. Actually, I'm kind of just tagging along because Ian, Darren, and Dewey already had a ticket. We're excited to be going today, and I'm also doing a foundation review today. Towards the Mummy, and thank goodness I have the Gear Beast cell phone holder because we had to put all of our stuff in a locker.
Keeping your hands and feet inside the vehicle, face forward with your head against the headrest.
Serve me and savor the riches of eternal life, and join us in eternal death. Akunde! Now your souls belong to me!
We're here! Oh my gosh! Anyone for Quillage? Literally cheesing so hard right now. Everyone's got their butter beers. Cheers for the butter beer. It's actually pretty good. Butterscotch.
Now read yourself the bottles.
They all won. That's so funny. The minion ride, and look at them. They all have their minions.
Anyway, let's begin.
Ian's got 3 minions. Dewey has 1. Darren has 2. Years ago, and I don't know, we were kind of disappointed with the Walking Dead maze, but this one was good. It was really good, and there was one part where one of the walkers, I didn't see him, so he was like right up in my face when I turned my head. Pretty much got soaked on Jurassic Park. This is our last ride of the day, the studio tour.
Here's the thing, if you're making a movie or a television show in Los Angeles, chances are you're going to have to contend with beautiful weather. And I know, rub it in. Me and Angel here, we live in paradise. If we so choose, make a flash flood. So watch out, everybody. You might get wet on this one. Flash flood coming our way. The weather outside is frightful, but the tram is so delightful, right?
And it's finally out. Chocolate frogs. Lots of candy. Fudge flies. Shoot, they have the UR. Yeah, it is. They have it. Yay! Now you know we had to get one of these. Thanks. Just like that, our day at Universal Studios Hollywood is over. It was a really fun day. We basically got to go on all the rides. It really wasn't that bad today. Thank goodness the sun came out towards the end, but it was a lot of fun. I'm glad that Dewey, Ian, and Darren had a really fun time. Now we're just gonna wait for the hubs to pick us up, and I think we're gonna go have dinner. Right from Alaska, Moose's Tooth Pizza. Ooh. What's the other one?
Oh my God.
Ooh, looks good. Thank you. My mother-in-law. Say hi, Ma. This is baklava from Alaska. I think one of my mother-in-law's friends makes this. So bomb. We have some Korean, what is this? Golden Island pork jerky, Korean barbecue. Happy Saturday, you guys. So we're here in Little Tokyo. We're here in Little Tokyo. Mother-in-law, Angel, my husband, Ian, Darren, and Dewey. But Ian, Darren, and Dewey are already kind of walking around. It's so beautiful today. Thank goodness the sun is out. It's warm. Warm, like almost summer weather. Look at my mother-in-law. She doesn't want to get burnt, so she's wearing like a windbreaker. See, come on, say hi, Ma. I feel like it's been a couple of years since we've been here. I think the last time we were here was with my aunt, and that was like 2014. This used to be my life, a cubicle life, except this one's a lot cuter. I saw this place, it's called Bay. They have like lattes, they have donuts. It's like really popular on Instagram. It's an ube donut. So let's try the ube donut. Pretty good. And it's not like super sweet. So we're now here in Chinatown. It was like only a couple streets down. I think my mother-in-law wants to look for some stuff here. So we're back in the shopping center. We were just here a couple weeks ago.